Hi Stampers, I wanted to do a quick Facebook Live to show you me unboxing Eden's Garden and also Heart and Home, which is an OnStage Project Collection. So I'm going to open the box. It's really fun to get these boxes from Stampin' Up! And I'm really excited about these two new sets and looking forward to playing with them. So, without further ado, stuck. I'm going to just set this aside so we can see what we're doing. And I'm going to start with Eden's Garden, which is a beautiful new stamp set that's going to be available. It's limited time only from November 2nd through January 3rd. It's called Eden's Garden. And there's some sample cards with it, and then here is the actual bundle. Alright, so here's the stamp set. Move that out of the way. The stamp set by itself will be $23. Also, let's see. Oh, well, let me show you the beautiful designer series paper that comes with it. It's got little hints of gold all throughout, and it's absolutely beautiful paper. Pull some out and show you. So the colors that it comes in is, it doesn't say, but it's early evergreen and sage shadow, and it's absolutely stunning paper. There's 2 sheets of each one, and I'm just going to flip to show you the reverse side of this paper. So one side has, all of it has little pieces of gold in it. And then the reverse side is just coordinating. And isn't that pretty? I told you when I did my last double sheet wonder class that I was going to do a double sheet wonder with this paper, and I am going to do that maybe later today or tomorrow. But this gorgeous, gorgeous paper, really pretty. All right, so there's the paper stamp set, and then with that is a coordinating die called Eden's Dies. It's definitely not frustration-free packaging. It's kind of funny. I ordered some stuff on Amazon, frustration-free packaging. Anyway, you can see that the dies are really pretty, and if you look at the sheet, which I already showed you, they show some. Actually, they don't show any cards. Well, I'm going to make some. Oh, this one shows cards. So you can see the dies in action on these sample cards, and I'm looking forward to playing with them to show you some of my sample cards. Also with this collection comes this cotton paper, which is lightweight paper, and it comes in, I think it comes in evening evergreen, and yeah, it does. Okay. And the other lighter green, which is really, it's kind of, I don't know, it's real smooth, and it's real lightweight, but it'll look really cute with projects. I've seen demonstrators cut out this out with the dies, and it looks really pretty. Also with this collection comes some garden gems, which unfortunately when I placed my pre-order they weren't available. They are available now, so that's good. Alright, so that's Eden's Garden. It's going to be available from November 2nd until January 3rd. It's limited time only, and so I would be definitely using this for my next stamp club in November, 3rd Friday in November. If you want to come check us out, drop me a private message and I will give you the details. Alright, so that's Eden's Garden. The next stamp set that I got is Only available for demonstrators right now. It's going to be shown in the January to June 2022 mini catalog. Demonstrators that registered for OnStage at Home, which is in November, got to order this because they're going to use this stamp set in the class that we're taking, in the class, I guess, for OnStage at Home. So I wanted to go ahead and pre-order that so that I can make the fun projects that they show us. So one really great reason for being a demonstrator is you get access to these items early, and so I got it. So anyway, this is a stamp set. It's called Blessings of Home, and it's really pretty. I think it's going to look really pretty colored with my Stampin' Blend markers. Have a perfect birthday. We can get through anything together. What a beautiful day for love. You are a real blessing to everyone around you. So that'll be, like I said, in the catalog starting in January. And then the paper, super cute. It's got like bumblebees. Wow, this is pretty paper. So this one has bumblebees. And the flip side is a really pretty wood grain. And then this one has some little flowers. Flip side, more wood grain, which will look really pretty coordinated together. Then this is fresh freesia and wood grain. I really like having the neutral wood grains. You can really do some fun cards with them. And then this one. Ooh, that's pretty. Wood grain. Ooh, I like this one right here. That is gorgeous, isn't it? And these are all new in colors as well, I can see. And then this green, which is really pretty. And wood grain. Oopsie. All right, so that's the Designer Series paper that comes with this bundle. Or you can just buy it separately. So pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, I'll pull that back out so you can see that again. So that's called the Heart and Home Project Collection. And also it has some dies that come with it. Oopsie. That coordinate with the stamp set. And so these big ones would cut out these, and then these look like just pretty little flowers that will look really cute on cards, little card elements. And also, they're somewhere on this table. Oh, there we go. There's some embellishments, so little classic matte dots, which will look really cute. So I'm looking forward to playing with these at OnStage, which is November 11th through 13th. It's only for demonstrators. So if you ever thought about becoming a demonstrator, I'd love it if you would sign up under me. And you'll have access to these pre-release items as well. So just a quick video, and I hope you have a great day, great weekend. Thank you for watching. Bye now.